Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow St. John's wort easily. First, select a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. This plant prefers well-drained soil, so avoid areas where water tends to pool. It's quite resilient, thriving across USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9. You can start growing from seeds or small cuttings. The best time to plant is in the spring, after all danger of frost has passed, ensuring a strong start for your new plants. Preparing your soil properly is key for healthy St. John's wort. If you have heavy clay soil, incorporate plenty of organic matter, like compost, to improve drainage and aeration. When planting, give each plant ample room to grow. 18 to 24 inches apart is ideal. This spacing allows for good air circulation and prevents overcrowding. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0, which is slightly acidic to neutral, providing the perfect environment for robust growth. Watering is crucial, especially for young St. John's wort plants. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged during their first growing season. Once established, these plants become quite drought-tolerant, requiring less frequent watering. However, during prolonged dry spells, an occasional deep watering will certainly benefit them. To encourage bushier growth and more blooms, prune your plants back by about 1/3 in late winter or early spring. This simple step promotes vigorous new shoots. Harvesting St. John's wort is straightforward. The best time to gather the flowers and upper leaves is when the blooms are fully open, typically in midsummer. Use sharp scissors to snip the top few inches of the plant. After harvesting, spread the plant material in a single layer on a screen or tray in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area to dry thoroughly. Once dried, it can be stored for later use, often valued for its traditional medicinal applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.